This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Kenneth Yates. No HOA. Walking distance to Harris Teeter, outlets, and multiple shops and restaurants. Open floor plan with 9 feet ceilings on both levels. Kitchen with upgraded Marsh Cabinetry, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and oversized island with room for bar stools. Main master bedroom on first floor with ensuite and walk-in closet. Master bath boasts separate tub and walk-in shower with dual shower heads, dual sinks with cultured marble countertops and water closet. Main floor laundry room with sink, quartz counter and cabinet space and a doggie shower. Upper level features a second master as well as a Jack and Jill bath for the third and fourth bedroom. Backyard is level and fully fenced with a privacy fence and a double gate entry from the driveway. French doors lead to back porch with can lights, wood beadboard ceilings and pre-wired for heaters. Front yard irrigation is served by a well. House is on city water.